The slogans like Batenge to Katenge or the reference to Razakar deliberately in the speeches of Yogi Adityanath and BJP leaders as nothing but to communalize, to polarize the election atmosphere in Maharashtra so that to increase the Mahayuti's or BJP's voting position, thereby to control Maharashtra again. As I told you, I have earlier also said in my videos that BJP is in no mood to leave Maharashtra because they know if the economic capital is gone, then the central government will also fall down. So they want any way to control Maharashtra, and that is why this particular campaign, that Batenge to Katenge and all that. Let's go in the have some academic talk on this campaign. Batenge means what they want. Does it mean that the Muslims they all vote together? So Hindus, you also should vote together. The question is, in any democratic country in the world, always the minorities prefer en bloc that particular party which protects them. So right now Donald Trump may be very close to Narendra Modi, but it's a fact that the Indians settled in America prefer democratic, while Indians settled in England prefer Labour Party always. It's a fact. So now is it that there also the campaign Batenge to Katenge? So there is no water in this particular campaign Batenge to Katenge. Minorities always prefer that particular party which they think is better for them. Now let's come back. Does it mean that if we are having some 20 crore Muslims, nearly 10-12 crore people they vote for a particular party en bloc and rest are getting divided? If this is happening in 20 crore Muslims, is it how one can expect that all 100 crore Hindus should also vote en bloc to a particular party? It's not possible. But the campaign itself is on the wrong foot. And I think that the people will not fall prey to this wrong campaign. Thanks. Please continue watching. Dhanyavad.